Yes, everybody, welcome back to part 2 of the BMW X1 clean. We will be attempting the exterior today. It's a little bit drizzly, but I'm just going to wash it anyway, and probably save the polishing for when it's a little bit drier. There's no point in polishing the car in the rain, but I'm going to clean it, prepare it all ready for polishing. So yeah, quick recap over what I got to deal with. There's the wheels. Been neglected for a long time, all up in the arches. Yeah, it's quite a neglected car really, and but if you see all inside the door shuts, not been done. I've done the interior, but I'll reveal that at the end. What a transformation on the inside. Yeah, there's the interior. Yeah, that's missing there, so it's the only downside. It's a little dent in the other side, but yeah, stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed this video. We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kind of feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going out, going all the way. Going high, high, high. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, higher. Break the mold, then press repeat. Get 'em up on the edge of their seats. Set your aim a little higher. We're gonna go there. Going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going out, going all the way. Going high, high. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, higher. We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going out, going all the way. Going high, high, higher. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, higher. Yeah, for the washing process on this vehicle, what I'm going to do is going to spray all the bottom half and all the creases with G101 just to get all the dirt out of all the gaps and everything. And I'm going to be coating the body in a product called Red 7, which is a decontamination, and it takes the iron out of the paintwork, and basically it brings a bit more shine to the process afterwards.
sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for, isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face.
Yes, everyone, welcome back to the final stage of this BMW X1 clean. I would have polished it yesterday, but the rain was a bit drizzly, so it'd be no good for polishing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to finish off polishing it, tidy it up a little bit, and then I'll show you the finished product.
I gotta let you know, it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I found my flow right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't got a care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine.
Yes, everybody, welcome back to the finished product on the BMW X1. I'm going to give you a little tour around it now. Yeah, it's come up rather well. Some parts, you know, I mean, they're not brilliant, but for the age, 10-year-old car, don't look too bad. Yeah, let me know what you think. Yeah, here's the interior. As you can see, it was really messy. All the seat was all caked in makeup. The handle there, caked. Steering wheel, all caked in makeup. Everything, it's all filthy. So, yeah, pretty good job of that inside. Smells nice too. Covered in dog hair that was. I took that top mat out, but I just left it all how it should be. Yeah, pretty good results on this. So there's a little dent in here. He's sorting out. Not a bad looking car. Yeah, tidy looking car. Yeah, if you like that video, please like, please subscribe, and share if you'd be so kind. And yeah, hopefully it brings some more to you pretty soon. Thanks for watching.